kasi napindot ko at ako yung pinagalitan ni Bethany. Pero okay lang yun kasi we're best friends again.
Yay. And I'm gonna show you the background, okay?
Uy, naka-charge.
Yes, alam ko. Here you go. That's the background. It's all cats.
Yeah, it's all cats because
I love
cats.
She loves cats. And they're so fluffy, guys.
And ang ganda pa din ng background namin.
Oh my god. I need to put it like we need to like this. Okay, guys.
So, totoo talaga na parang, so yan, nagpo-push game na naman siya. Diba? So, ako man na magsasalita ngayon sa video kasi nagpo-push game. Grabe. Iniwan ako. Ay, sorry.
Ikaw ba naglaro na ito kanina? She was playing this when it was part 1 or part 2.
And wait lang, kukuha muna ako ng mga secret.
Let's get some food, bro. Sorry, guys. And she left to go get some food.
Let's get food.
Okay, I'm gonna get some food. So yeah, come on.
Wait, we're gonna pause it. Gagawa namin kami ulit ng background.
Yes.
Because gusto namin yung mga balls na ganito.
Yes, this is my collection.
Ito yung mga collection niya. Kaya,
here's my collection. It's a lot.
yan.
We
May
can do
ganito,
this.
may mga ganito.